Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we have some important announcements, so stay tuned for some important information regarding the Baking and Buttercream channel. Oh my goodness, guys. Did you see what happened to the Baking and Buttercream logo? If I saw it right, it said behind the buttercream.
What's that?
Alright guys, this is what the whole video is pretty much about. It's an announcement of my new series of videos that I'll be releasing on this channel called Behind the Buttercream.
And guess what, guys? I'm in them!
One thing that we'll be doing is lots of challenge videos on Behind the Buttercream. So leave some challenge videos down in the comments below that you want us to try out, and hopefully they're not too messy.
Yeah, you know, as long as it's able to be cleaned up within a 5-day period, it's all good.
Yeah. Some other stuff that we'll be doing are Americans Try Foreign Food Challenges. Stay tuned for those videos, but that's not all. There'll also just be some fun stuff. This is just going to be
almost like a vlog, really.
Just not vlogs and just funny video ideas that you guys want to see between me and my brother. Yeah, so there's a whole bunch of fun stuff out there in this world, challenge videos and just different things to do. And so this is what Behind the Buttercream will be about. Behind the Buttercream will be released at least once a month on a Saturday, but who knows, maybe every once in a while there'll be 2 Behind the Buttercream videos.
Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell right there so you guys can always get the notifications of when we put up a new video.
Yeah, it'll be super great. You'll be able to watch us do silly stuff or make some cool desserts on this channel.
Well, he'll make the desserts. I'm here to eat the desserts. That's all.
Yeah, so what you don't see is I take the one bite and then he raids the kitchen and grabs everything.
Yeah, it's pretty true.
So I have a couple more announcements. I have them on this little paper right here so I don't forget. Alright, so guys, one of the first announcements is I want to reach 500 subscribers before, drum roll please. I'm hoping I add that in post.
I mean, that'd be funny if you don't. Just stand here in silence while everyone's just watching this.
August 31st. That's right, folks. We have, I wrote this down, 25 weeks, also known as 6 months, until August 31st. We're going to be doing a couple milestones whenever we reach a couple of different subscriber amounts. So whenever we reach 250 subscribers, I'm going to make a giant Oreo. That's right, guys. You guys know that I like Oreos. Who does not like Oreos?
Vegans.
So, and then the next goal after that will be 375 subscribers, and we'll do an Eat It or Wear It challenge or the smoothie challenge. You guys will decide if we do the Eat It or Wear It challenge or the smoothie challenge. In the cards above, there'll be a little poll. So choose one of those and let us know which one you want us to do. You let us know which one you want to see in the cards up above or in the comments down below. And if we get to the goal of 500 subscribers before August 31st, we will make a giant
cinnamon roll. Well, actually, he'll be making the giant cinnamon roll. I'll be eating the giant cinnamon roll.
Good point. So make sure to share all my videos with everyone you know. Total strangers, that's okay too.
Or if you guys really want to, and William did this a couple times, if you guys ever go into an Apple store, just put this YouTube channel up on some of those computers that they allow you to mess with.
And here's actually a post where I have done that in the Apple store. You can check out these cool posts at my social medias. There's links in the description box down below. I went into an Apple store and I took 3 computers and I put up some free advertisement.
Which was pretty funny. I mean, all of us that was there right then, we really laughed for a good while.
Hashtag share Bacon and Buttercream videos. One of the last announcements is actually a shout out to my friend, Zach Brubaker. In his podcast, The Ultimate Plodcast.
I mean, I listened to it. I had a good time. I laughed because Zach tells some good jokes in the middle of it. It's a lot of fun.
I listen to him whenever I'm riding the bus. It's super great.
Alright guys, and if you want to go start following his Plodcast, you guys can go down to the description below, and then you guys can find what apps or social media he's on to go follow his podcast. Yeah,
he even has his own website, and so check out the description box below. I'll have information about the Ultimate Plodcast, so check that out. The last announcement that I have on this sheet of paper is...
we want you guys to comment what you want him to bake.
If you're commenting down a dessert, think about what I should do for the next Marvel movie, Avengers Endgame.
I'm really curious what they're going to be saying, like what you should do there.
Yeah, so let me know what I should do down below in honor of this amazing movie coming out. I just recently made Captain Marvel cupcakes. That tasted amazing.
They were. I love red velvet.
And they looked so good. So comment down some treats that you want me to do for Avengers Endgame, and I'll put them in my list, and maybe your treat will be in one of my videos. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. click one of the videos somewhere on the screen right here. There should be 2 of them. One of them YouTube recommends, I recommend the other, and then click the bacon and buttercream icon on the screen as well to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.
See you guys.